Good morning, my viewers. This is very early morning in Kenya. It's about 7 o'clock, and you can see the sun rising there, coming out so beautifully. It will be a warm and hot day today as it was yesterday. The heat of January has shifted to February, and thank God for it. Wherever you are, please, I greet you, friend Kidongo from Superhighway Estates. I greet you in the name of our Lord. Whatever you are doing, wherever you are, please take my greetings. Please like, follow me and subscribe, and follow me as I go to vlog in an estate in Kenyatta Road. Yes, my viewers, as I go to that estate, I'm happy you are following me. It's very in the morning, it's when the sun is coming. That's why you can see it's slightly dark, but within a few minutes, more bright and shining. This is how it is here. It's high-waisted early morning. People going to their normal businesses because it is daytime now. After a good night, as look started because those who go to work went very early in the morning. From 4 a.m. they started going to work to avoid the jam on the highway. Because that time, because if you leave this place around 6, you will definitely spend an hour or more on the way because of the heavy traffic. So when you look here, you can see a bit of sunrise is seen somewhere there. It is coming to be seen now, and because of this big building, you cannot see it well, but the sunrise there, you can see it there. These are Superhighway high-rise building, upcoming and old ones. And here you see the people coming to work. Yes, the good man has started his job, and those masons or hardmen who are coming to get work in our estate. Our estate is estimated to be having about 50 to 80 people who come to work here. So it's a good employer, provide employment to many young men, mostly in the building industry, because residents here keep on coming and constructing houses, residents for their occupation or for the businesses, like the one we are seeing here in high rise. Right now there are two buildings in high rise that are ongoing with heavy employment, and in the estate too there are the houses which are upcoming. So our Superhighway estate has been a good employer and giving employment opportunities to many young people. That's how it looks here very early in the morning. Businesses are not yet open. Our business are open lately. They don't open early like other places. As I go on, I will show you where the business have opened. This is Superhighway estate, as you can see it. Beautiful, beautiful high-rise buildings occupied by many people who work in places far away from Kenyatta Road, because there are many towns apart from Nairobi. The others beyond Nairobi, and apart from Thika, which is also our town, The others built there, where people go to work and come back in the evening. You can see our beautiful cable roads, super highway estates, and so the section that which have not been done like so. The county government has promised to put cable on our road, so it will be dust free and it will be a modern estate. Thank God for that, because He always remembers and give us a lot of favor. This is our tarmac road going to the estate we are going to. There's a major road here in Kenyatta Road, connecting all the estates of Kenyatta Road. It has made movement here measurable, and more so the driving, because it used to be very difficult to walk in this estate, especially when it was rainy season. People were getting stuck, and it was very, very muddy. And thank God, because of development that has taken place in the last 10 years. Busy place, people are going to various busy road where they work or do business or any other job that they do daily. Here there is a major construction of a hotel, Kenyatta Road. The biggest and largest projects so far in Kenyatta Road. This is Kenyatta Road, main road that connects all the estates. And as you can see, the beautiful building that have come. We can see the bright, sun that has come. That's the building. Mega project here in Kenyatta Road. People who did not want to go at night, and this being a weekend, most likely they are not going to job. For those who go to Nairobi, they must wake up very early. By 5, one must have left the house. They will arrive in good time and avoid spending a lot of fuel jams, traffic jams. Another estate here, you will see it later on. It's a place where we have got a police station, chief comes and the police station, but we have got many buildings here. See, businesses have not yet opened. Here's this is the I'm on the way to the estate I'm going. This is still the highway. Our main road that connects all the estates of Kenyatta Road. And at this time it's a bit busy. people going to various destinations. Some on bikes, motorbikes, some on foot, some on foot. As you can see for yourself, others on cars. Joints here have been opened. This used to be farmland, but of late they have started businesses here. As you can see here, there are also businesses here. As you can see, that has started of late. Car wash, restaurants, and spray equipment. Other activities. Nyata Road is growing, and all the areas where there was farm seem to be invaded by business people. Advantage of the population increase in Nyata Road. That's a junction. We are going to the estates that I was showing you before. Now I'm going to another area. Before I come back to the little bits on the other side. Otherwise I finished with the very few estates. I'm also going to show you very exciting estates, how people live and what they are. It's a bit quiet. As we get to the estates, it gets quieter. Activities slow down because people go away, far away, to do their businesses. This road, this junction road here is not as busy as the other one, because this one just come or just go to our estate, two estates. The other one was going across the river. This one does not, so it's not as busy as the one I told you before. Some estates are very quiet, and they are composed of one lane. We are now near an estate here where I'm going to. This is a school mentioned by a person who was giving us history of this area. It is Precious Blood. As you can see, Precious Blood primary school. This was the one which was originally meant for blind children. But the man given the task to look for blind children not able to do it, and the donors instead decided then to start it as a normal primary school known as Precious Blood Primary School, and has been doing very, very well indeed. It's a famous school here, school of choice for many. It is run by Precious Blood Sisters, and you will see more of them. We have an estate here known as Green Castle. The sun is so bright it cannot be seen properly, but you have seen it. Viewers, this is the estate that I am bringing you today, known as Green Castle. It's not as large as we had seen others before, but it's quite good. It's a modern estate. Started in ranges with others in 90s, and as usual, during daytime it is quiet. People go to work elsewhere, come here for their night and for their stay, but they work elsewhere. As we have seen in other estates, this too is also having people who are growing decorative plants outside their houses, on their lane. The houses are still moderate houses built years ago. As you can see, they are bungalows of those years. Those who came early, this kind of houses that they constructed, but you see the latecomers, those who have come later on, the kind of buildings they have constructed. You can see this one here. It's a beautiful house, and you can see the decorative plants in this house. How beautiful it is. You can see the sun is so bright today, this morning. And here again, excuse me, just like we saw with Fairview Avenue 6, there is also a school here. The school here. There's a school here. As we can see there, this is a flower farm here, and again the normal residents here. We have seen the people, the bungalows here. There seem to be many, because the people who settled here quite early were only interested in a place to settle, and they had simple designs by then. They had one advantage of coming here earlier than other people, so they bought their properties cheap. But when you come to design, those who come later, though they buy their properties at a higher price, but they come here with very beautiful designs, exciting designs. But all the same, you get one advantage, and the other side is a disadvantage. Just as you can see, the houses they built that time, the moderate house, bungalows. The plant here not seem to be doing so well. I think the soil here is not as good as that one we saw in the far view, where there was a lot of vegetation. Here they have tried to have them, but they don't grow well. I think the soil here does not really support that kind of growth. It's an estate that I used to know many years back, and you can see new buildings are coming, new styles are coming, as you can see. The one in front of us there, these are flat roofed mansionettes, and even the one beyond it again is similar. We are seeing it happening, so the kind of building we are having again, flat roof house there, and the tank of water for storing water, because water here sometimes is a big problem. So as we continue, the sun is so bright. I have to keep on changing the cameras because of the sunshine. It's very bright. Just come very brightly this morning. From beginning of February, the weather has completely changed. January was rainy and cold, but this time we are experiencing the hot February. I feel like we see the other places, they're still undeveloped properties, and this one here is a place that is beautifully done. We can see the lawns planted with exotic and decorative plants. This is beautiful. Very beautiful place, so you can see it. Here again, the bungalows, so you can see them. Still quiet estate. The colors, there is well, the houses, the bungalows, but they have kept their lanes. Very beautiful. We can see here again the vehicle outside the compound. It's on the road, indicating the level of confidence of security in this area. This estate known as Green Castle. Green Castle Estate. There is another one here. Another person here. Who is rearing chicken? As you can see, another one here. See a place here. The owner of this place is rearing chicken. You can see, wonderful, wonderful. Large scale production of chicken here. I don't know whether they are rears or they are for meat. It's beautiful, it's nice, it's good usage of the compound. Again here, there is another one person here who has got a good mango tree here, where she has produced beautiful mango fruits, beautiful mango fruit. They are very ripe. They are so ripe. I don't know whether he sells or just for his consumption, but his people cannot finish it because they are very, very ripe. This is a wonderful place. Kenyatta Road is very good, especially when you get good soil. People practice farming, and this undeveloped property, it is a good garden and has got variety. It's got variety of plants. can see maize, you can see kales there. It's a beautiful farm. We have got good soil. Again here we have got another homestead there with a lot of plants planted inside the compound, but not outside the compound. Here again there is another farmer, chicken farmer, and as you hear the noise of chicken, don't know whether they are broilers or layers. The other one was the same case. I don't know what kind of bird they are keeping, whether they are broilers or whether they are layers. It's a very quiet Sanood estate. Started in 90s, and it seems many people settled here in those years than other estates, because the kind of building that we have here can attest to that. Yes, the kind of building we have here can tell you they came here very early, and it was a place where they settled. It's roof deserted. The house roof is deserted. Residents still lives here, because even on the gate there's no footsteps, there's no sign of people who open that gate. It is a wonderful place. This is how it looks like. This lane looks like so. It's the last building here, so you can see, and another one there. Bungalows. This lane is so full of bungalows. Bungalows constructed early in the 90s, because the styles can tell when they were constructed. Of a few of these estates, and you can see how vegetation have occupied that compound, beautiful compound. This is how it looks like. Again, here is farming, poultry farming. I don't know what, but it seemed to be quiet. He's not doing it now. Maybe he has taken a break. That's off a few of this lane. It's a beautiful and quiet one, with a deserted house. Don't know where the owners is located. You can hear the noise of chicken. There's a lot of chicken farming here in Green Castle. Hear the noise of chicken. Hear that noise. And this building, beautiful. And here there is a lot of farming taking place. Green Castle Estates. They have not named this lane, but you can see how it is. And beyond this plot, there is flower farming taking place. This is still Green Castle. We can see the people who have come later on, the kind of development they are doing here. This is a person who has planted a lot of exotic flowers in his compound. And, you can see the banana has produced fruits. There is an undeveloped plot there. It's become a good garden, as you have seen in other estates. See the kind of buildings they build here. Few upcoming exotic plants in their outside gate, in their lawns, and There is also a lot of good fruits there. You can see mango fruits. The mango tree has produced good succulent fruits. It's a compound with exotic flowers outside it. So you can see it here. And another building, incomplete building here. As you can see it. Again here, it seems as if the key thing is chicken rearing. There's a lot of chicken rearing here in this place than I have seen in any other area. Because in front of me here, this is chicken farming, as you can see it here. So it is a beautiful place. Okay. It's a lot of chicken rearing here, my friend. This is a wonderful estate. Chicken rearing is the key thing here. Okay. I've never seen it anywhere else, but this is a unique estate. Unique estate here. And see this, how beautiful the lawn is with exotic plants. Again, undeveloped plots, but there are not many as I saw in other areas, especially in Fairview Avenue 6. They have built good mansions, beautiful mansions. Hip style again here, see them. And we have got a beautiful flat roof house here. Beautiful one. That one there is beautiful. We are seeing flowers, exotic flowers, and an upcoming development there. See here again, beautiful compound with the mature trees, as you can see here. Most of here we have got bungalows. Again, another chicken rearing taking place here. So you can see the building there is for chicken rearing. I've got a lot of chicken rearing here in this compound, my viewers. In this estate, Green Castle. Hey, I'm surprised. I didn't know this existed anywhere. Hey, it's big business here. Chicken rearing. Almost everywhere there's chicken rearing. Hey, chicken rearing here. You can see. On the opposite side of the lane again, still chicken rearing building there. We have got good exotic trees there inside the compound, and outside their compound on their lawn. And here the fruits. Yeah, fruits everywhere. You see ripe mango fruits. Hey, these people don't even eat their fruits, or there are so many everywhere here. Exotic flowers on their lawn. In here, undeveloped property. And as you can see, this is indigenous tree that grows on its own. Is a mature one. Because this compound, the owner has not developed it yet. This tree, as I told you, they grow naturally here. and they do much better than the exotic one. So you can witness here, it's a huge tree. Not one, even another one. There another one here. This is the kind of the tree that grows here. Let me show you better. Nice green castle. Early morning. These are the newcomers here. The kind of building can tell you these people have come later. These other buildings are people who came here in 90s and the early 2000s. And when you see this kind of building, you know when they came, they have the time frame they came. This one is a building not completed. It's making a style of its own of those yesteryears. It's a place with a good sugarcane growing. So you can see here, my friends, good exotic flowers here. Mango fruits are in plenty, as you can see here. These are undeveloped plots here. And you can see the kind of vegetation, the kind of trees that grows here. And this is the type that grows here. When left undisturbed, they become very, very big trees. These are acacia trees, and they grow here in big number. They make a big forest, but it's not possible to have them grow because of human habitation. Population is increasing. Immigration is taking place daily from rural to urban centers. This is a wonderful estate, unique in nature. As you can see it here. We are still continuing with our, I'm happy that you are following me, my viewers, wherever you are. I love you. I dearly love you for following me, for becoming Team Friendly Kidongo, Team FN. I'm showing a wonderful estate here. It's very unique. And as you can see, as I told you, this is the kind of trees that grow here. These indigenous trees that grow here. This area is not developed, and you can see the kind of tree that is growing here. Nobody planted. We can see that beautiful modern building that has come. As we can see, most of this place was inhabited years back, and you can see very good coconut trees there growing, beautiful coconuts growing, very green grass here because of the rain that was taking place in January. It's a good place, as you can see it. It's modern building. This is a wonderful estate, Green Castle Estate. It is very green indeed, and the building tells us the time of occupation here in those years of 1990s. Here, as you can see, person taking care of the lawn here. It's beautifying the area. It's a wonderful person. Is a specialist in lawn shaping. It's a huge development here. It's a huge residential area here. I've never seen this one like this before. It's a modern part of this estate. Some people who came later on. There are few undeveloped properties here, as you can see. When you count them, there are not many. Again, this area come to an end of this lane. It's a beautiful estate. It is green, as the names call it. They have got that occupation of chicken rearing, as we can see here. It's a mixture of old and new. Like we can see behind us here is a modern building. It's a modern that seems to be another estate. You can see here the chicken houses, which are many in this estate. Here is an example of those indigenous trees that grow naturally. Thank you, my followers, wherever you are. Thank you for following me. Thank you for believing in me that I give you authentic and original videos. They are not cut, they are raw. They are not photoshopped, but they are real thing. As you see it, that's what it is. Even if you come here, that's what you'll see here. This is a wonderful estate. It's very green. The name of it is Green Castle, and as you can see, it is very green. And all the compound here seem to be having mango trees. And the other thing is that they have got chicken sheds, growing layers, and a few more, as I have learned from a resident here, are broilers. This estate, I'm told it started 22 years ago, and somewhere to do with the 2003 or 2002, and it is a joint property or land was bought by Kiambu County teachers. Kiambu is a county in Kenya, one of 47 counties, and nurses. Professional teachers and nurses came together and bought this land and subdivided it into individual plots, and they settled here. So we can call this teachers, nurses estate, but they came with a beautiful name, Green Castle, because it is really green, and they have made it green. There are indigenous trees, exotic trees, and the buildings are the bungalows built those years, but modern ones are coming up. I am Frederick Kidongu from Superhighway Estate. That's where I'm from. That's where I station myself. But today, as I have told you earlier, this is Green Castle. Thank you for following me, my people. Whatever time zone you are in, I greet you. Those who are asleep, they will see me in the morning. Daytime, you'll be able to see me. I love you. I love you. Keep on following me. Like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, my friends. Thank you. Have a good and productive day.